Check out our one bedroom at the Marriott Vacation Club Summit Watch in Park City, Utah. We checked into room 6409, which is a one bedroom. And in the entryway, there are plenty of hooks for all of your jackets, hey there, as well as a bench where you can sit and take off your shoes or boots if it's the winter. From the entryway, you walk directly into the dining room, which has seating for 6. And it was super cute. We really enjoyed it. Those are placemats in the middle, which was very helpful. And as you come around to the kitchen area, there are 2 bar stools. So if you needed seating for 8, you could really only get 6 at the table, but 2 at the bar. And if you'll stay to the end of the video, I'll actually open up all of these cabinets for you so that you know what kind of dishes you can expect. But you can see that this is a full kitchen with an oven, burners, microwave, dishwasher and refrigerator. They always start you off with some coffee, and they also had a blender and a toaster. This was a smart TV, so we were able to log into our Netflix. Then you have a small seating area, and I say a small seating area because there really wasn't a lot of room for a lot of people to sit in front of the TV. They had this very large open area as well as 2 kind of cozy nooks that you could sit on by the fireplace. And now we're entering into the bedroom. The bedroom had a king-size bed. It had plenty of outlets. We were pleased that we could plug in all our phones and devices. There was also a TV here in the bedroom. Let me show you inside the closet. The closet had a hamper, a safe, plenty of extra bedding, some hangers. You might want to bring more if you're going to be staying for any extended period of time, as well as they had a luggage rack. Then they had a nice area with a deep tub and a nice bench. They had all of the pool towels provided for you, and then they had this nice privacy door here. You could walk through this area and you came to the first sink, one of 2 in this one bedroom, which was really nice. So you each had your sink area if there were 2 of you staying in the room. It also had a makeup mirror, which I really appreciate since my eyes are going. And then they had the shower, which they provide you with shampoo. Hey there again. Shampoo, conditioner, soap. Here's your second sink area. And then we're going to turn and come to the stackable washer and dryer. And then you're right back at the front door. In the kitchen, you pretty much had 6 of everything. You had plenty of plastic cups to take outside. There's that blender I told you about. There's a salad bowl and measuring cups. Here's the drawer with all the utensils and wine opener, and then these are the pots that you have. We really enjoyed our time here and hope you do too.